MD Mansulat Dubai and other members is MD Numan Kaushal, MD Umar Farooq, MD Abdul Malak. Decision making and problem solving. Every organization needs decision making. In most cases, strategic planning and the overall goals of the organization set the course of decision making, helping employees and business units achieve their objectives and goals. Decision making as a component of problem solving. In business of the highest compliments you can receive is to be recognized by your colleagues and peers as a real problem solver. Problem solving is a critical activity for any business organization. After identifying a problem, begin the problem solving process with decision making. A well-known model developed by Hartmut Simon decision making case, which later incorporated by Yuval Harvard into an expanded model of the entire problem solving process. This is intelligence, design and choices called decision making stage. Intelligence, design, choice, implementation and monitoring stages are called problem solving phase. This is decision making and problem solving relation. Decision making phase. The first part of problem solving including three stages: intelligence stage, design stage, choice stage. Intelligence stage is the first part of decision making phase, and in which potential problems or opportunities are identified and defined. Design stage is the second stage of decision making, in which alternative solutions to the problem are developed. Choice stage is the third stage of decision making, which requires selecting a course of action. Problem solving, a process that goes beyond decision making to include the implementation and monitoring stages. Implementation stage and monitoring stage. Implementation stage, a stage of problem solving in which a solution is put into effect. Monitoring stage, the final stage of the problem solving process in which decision makers evaluate implementation. Program versus non-program decision. Program decision, a decision made using a rule, procedure or quantitative method. Non-program decision, a decision that deals with unusual or exceptional situations that can be difficult to quantify. Optimization, satisfying and realistic approaches. Optimization model, a process to find the best solution, usually the one that will best help the organization meet its goals. Satisfying model, a model that will find a good but not necessarily the best problem solving. Heuristics, commonly accepted guidelines or procedures that usually find a good solutions. Heuristics often referred to as rules of thumbs. Sense and response. Sense and response involves determining problems or opportunities and developing systems to solve problems to take advantage of the opportunities. Sense and response often requires nimble organizations or that replace traditional lines of authority with those that are flexible and dynamic. MS, Management Information System, is an integrated collection of people's procedures, databases and devices that provides managers and decision makers with information to help achieve shared organization goals. MAS can often give companies and other organizations a competitive advantage by providing the right information to the right people in the right format at the right time. Now I will invite to Mr. Numan Kaushal to complete her slide.
Management information system in perspective. The primary purpose of an MIS is to help an organization achieve its goals by providing managers with insight to the regular operation of the organization so that can control, organize and plan more effectively. Source of management information. The MIS is just one of many sources of management information. Decision support system, executive support system and expert system also assist in decision making. Input to a management information system. Data that entered an MIS from both external sources. There are two parts, internal source and external source. Internal source. The most significant internal data source for a management information system are the organization of various TPS and ERP system and related database companies. Also use data warehouse and data mart to store valuable business information. Other internal data come from specific functional areas throughout the firm. External source. External source of data include customers, suppliers, competitors, and stockholders. So data are not captured by the TPS as well as other sources such as internet. Output of an MIS. The output of most MIS is a collection of reports that the distributor managers. This report includes schedule reports, K indicator reports, demand report, exception report, and drill down report. Schedule report. A report produced periodically or an schedule such as daily, weekly, or monthly. K indicator report. A summary of the previous day critical activities officially available at the beginning of each work day. Demand report. A report developed to give creation information at someone's request. Exception report. A report automatically produced when a situation is unused or requires management data about the situation. Diligent report. A report providing increasingly related data about a situation. Characteristic of a management information system. In general, MIS perform the following function: provide report with fixed and standard format. Number B, produce hard copy and soft copy report. Number C, use internal data stored in the computer system. Number D, allow users to develop their own custom report. Number E, require users request for report developed by system personnel. Thanks everyone. Thanks to all. And I invite to my next contestant, Mr. Omar.
Thank you, Noman. Assalamualaikum. This is Umar Farooq. I presented topics financial aspect of the MIS. The MIS is an integrated collection of financial information system. Is suffering versus functional areas. Financial MIS, an information system that provide financial information not only for access but also for a broad set of people who need to make data decision. On a daily basis, following are some of the financial MIS subsystem and outcome. Profit, loss and cost system, editing internal, external, use and management of financial funds. Many functional MIS. The many functional MIS subsystem and output monitor and control the flow of product and service, though the organization. Some common information subsystem and output use in are view. Design and
Next slide.
next I will invite your next presentation.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you very much. Human resource MIS, an information system that is complete with activities related to employees and protection employees of an organization, also called a personal MIS. The main factors of HR MIS: HR and planning, personal selection and recruiting, training and skill, inventory, scheduling and job payment, wage and salary administration, outplacement. Others MIS, accounting MIS, an information system that provides detailed information on accounts, payables, accounts, receivables, payroll, and many other applications. Geographic information system. A computer system capable of assembling, storing, manipulating, and displaying geographic information, that is, data identified accounting to its location. Decision support system. A DCS is an organized collection of people, procedures, software, database, and device used to help make decisions that solve problems. The focus of DSS is an decision making effective when faced with a structured or semi-structured business problem. Characteristics of a decision support system. A decision support system have many characteristics that allow them to be effective management tools. The following are the goals of DSS. Provide repeat to information, handle large amount of different sources, provide report and presentation flexibility, other both textual, geographical orientation, support drill-down analysis, perform complex statistics analysis and operations using advanced software packages, support optimization, satisfying and heuristics approaches. Group support system, that means GSS, software application that consists of most element in DSS. Use software to provide effective supporting group decision making, also called a group support system or optimization collaborative work system. Characteristics of GSS. First of all, a special design, easy of use, flexibility, anonymous input, reduction of negative group behavior, parallel computing, automatic record keeping. GSS software, in addition to groupware, GSS are a number of tools including the following: email and instant messaging, video conferencing, group scheduling, project management, document sharing, executive support system, that's ESS. A specialist DSS that includes all hardware, software, procedures and people used to assist senior level executive with an organization. Board of Directors, President, Financial Area, Vice President, Functional Areas, MIS. ESS in perspective. Following are the general characteristics of ESS are tailored to individual executives, area are easy to use, have drill down analysis abilities, support the need for external data, can help with situations that have a high degree of uncertainty, have a future orientation, are linked with added business process. Capabilities of executive support systems, support for defining overall vision, support for strategic planning, support for strategic organization, staffing, support for strategic control, support for crisis management. Thanks all, and thanks to a special my course teacher. Have you any question?
Close.